Hi everybody, my name is Tomasz Szopiński. Welcome on SYNCOPEX YouTube channel. Today, very interesting experiment that you can do also in your home. We will measure the temperature loss inside the pipe on 21 Fahrenheit degrees outside. There's snow and everything is freezing. So I think it will be an interesting test. First of all, I will show you the temperature, more or less. We need to have a better equipment, but you can see it's quite hot, but I will tell you more or less how many Fahrenheit is it. It's around 100, it's around 150 Fahrenheit. It's jumping up and down, but more or less. Now we will put the water inside our SYNCOPEX 2.0 system, which we will describe in the other video, but today we will show you how is it working. We fill up the pipe with this hot water. We cannot put, oh, sorry. Okay. Okay, we will put corks. It's not perfectly sealed, but it's even better to show the effect of our pipe. Now I will put this outside. I will show you the temperature outside for 30 minutes. We will record all the process. Then we will measure the temperature after 30 minutes on the freezing point. And yeah, we will see the result. So let's take the pipe outside. As you can see, there's a real snow, it's not fake. Okay. I will not wait there 30 minutes because I will be frozen. We are now in Poland. We have 21 Fahrenheit, and we have our 14-17. So we will wait around 30 minutes. Someone is calling me, and we will show you the result. Stay tuned. So welcome again, guys. We have 30 minutes in cold temperature, 21 Fahrenheit. I will take the pipe now from outside. So the very important thing is that in each time we put the water from one thing to another, we lose few Fahrenheit. This is natural. This is always so. By filling up the pipe, we lost around 6 Fahrenheit. Now, by putting the water to the glass, we will lose another 6 Fahrenheit. Let's see what we have. As you can see, the glass is like a steam. It means it's hot. We have a little bit of how it's called, smoke or steam. Yeah, steam. We will measure now the temperature. So we have around 133 Fahrenheit. We start with 150. So we lost 70 Fahrenheit, but around 12 Fahrenheit we lost just by putting the water to the pipe and from the pipe to the glass. It's always it's natural that we lose a few Fahrenheit. So as you can see, I'm a little thirsty. Let's see. It's still hot. I think it's visible. Yeah, we almost not lose the temperature, which such a short pipe with the water that is standing, not moving, not creating a sauna effect inside the pipe, is fantastic. When we have a circulation for the central heating or the hot water to your showers or tubs, we will not lose almost nothing. I'm very proud of this invention. I'm very confident that these might be the best pipes, preinsulated pipes in the world. So if you want to make a test your home, write to us. You have all mails and contacts in the description under the video. We can send you the sample. You can test it with your coffee or tea. But it shows that this pipe works better than the classical thermal cups. So in my opinion, it's fantastic. So thank you once again. Hope to see you soon in our next chapter. Take care.